Tried what? To break the bowl?
Yeah, to make it into like something that you smoke out of the bowl.
How would you do it?
Smoke out of this 100%.
Yeah. How do you?
Burnt there.
How did?
The rest of the wood.
I believe that's the old technique where they try to burn out the wood like they did with the canoes.
Alright, so an Indian did it, and then that's it.
So basically, they're using indigenous techniques.
Yeah, Incan.
The local people is to finish out their what kind of bird do you think that is?
We gotta put like, alright, it goes into the eyes. We gotta get one right down the throat, right to the bowl, and then we just gotta like drill in the side.
Gotta get this one right down the
Put it right down the throat. We can even use the cork. We can line the throat with cork. Right down the throat.
While it is popular on the internet, the truth is a lot of people don't like it when you put it in the eye. And obviously all over the back.
You didn't never like that.
All over the back. All over the back. All over the back. Yeah.
Someone tried it.
Well,
someone was like, alright, let me try here. No, it didn't work. Let me try here. Why would it look like this?
Yeah, there's no other.
I mean, I don't have. I don't have.
That's the explanation, alright?
I don't have.
Making a new bowl.
I don't have.
I've got
They
a
tried.
major
Give them credit.